Have you ever had a dream so vivid, so intensely real that when you woke up you wondered, could I have glimpsed an alternate reality? Or perhaps you've experienced déjà vu so strong, you're convinced you had lived that exact moment before. Wild ideas, I know. But what if you really did peer into a parallel world that mirrors our own? The concept has captivated imagination for ages. Classic sci-fi shows like The Twilight Zone and Quantum Leap played with these what-if scenarios. In movies like Sliding Doors, a woman's life splits into dual timelines based on whether she catches a train or not. And just look at the alternate history fiction genre, which are stories imagining the world if key events had gone a bit differently. I'm not talking sci-fi portals to another dimension here, though. The theory is, there may be multiple versions of reality that exist simultaneously, stacked on top of one another, but not interacting. Imagine if you turned left instead of right today, setting off a cascade of different events in a duplicate world. Trippy, right? Where did this theory come from? Blame it on quantum physics. Scientists found tiny subatomic particles can actually exist in two states at the same time. This launched the idea that reality splits off at every junction, playing out all possibilities across parallel worlds. So for everything that happens in our timeline, alternatives branch off into their own dimensions. In other universes, you took that job offer, married your college sweetheart, live on Mars, or rule a distant galaxy. The hypothetical multiverse covers all the bases. This wild multiplication of realities could potentially account for strange phenomena like déjà vu, ghosts, and the mysterious dark matter permeating our universe. Skeptics say it's just the brain glitching. But what if you briefly flipped to a parallel world and glimpsed your alternate life playing out differently? Weird coincidences might actually be clues bleeding over from other dimensions. Now I know what you're probably thinking. Where's the proof, huh? Fair question. The trouble is, these parallel worlds would be invisible to us. It's not like you can grab a shovel and dig into another dimension. But some top minds think the complex math adds up to show they could be out there. Just imagine, infinite versions of you living out every possible life journey and outcome somewhere in the multiverse. Some parallel worlds might look identical to ours, while others would seem totally bizarre and surreal, like that trippy episode of Rick and Morty where they flip through wild alternate realities. The possibilities are endless across parallel realities. Wild ideas for sure, but ones that urge us to radically rethink our conventional notion of reality. Our universe could just be one slice in a vast cosmic pie of parallel worlds. Quantum computers may reveal these hidden layers someday. For now, the theory compels us to ponder how much richer, more complex, and stranger existence may really be than humanity ever imagined. We have only scratched the surface of the quantum realm. So keep an open and discerning mind to life's mysteries. Reality is full of wonder, with infinite worlds perhaps just a thin veil away.